Hello and welcome to another episode of Traditional Tales. The monsoon season has come, bringing with it the much needed rain and fresh breath of life. With monsoons comes the mushrooms. Mushrooms are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. From their earthy flavors to meaty texture, mushrooms add magical touch to any dish. Most of us love mushrooms, but have we ever wondered how do mushrooms grow? Well, as per some common beliefs, mushrooms are said to grow due to the sound of thunderstorms. Fascinating, right? Like mushrooms, another delicious monsoon ingredient that nature offers us are corns. Monsoon and corns also go hand in hand. When corns are immature and harvested, these tiny, soft, and tender kernels add sweet crunch to any dish. Baby corns are low in calories and rich in fiber. It can be used in a variety of dishes from stir fries and curries to soups and salads. Today, I will be sharing my quick and easy curry recipe with these amazing monsoon delights. Let's get started. Dear viewers, I hope you liked my today's recipe. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section which is your favorite monsoon recipe. And do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for upcoming delicious recipes. This is Traditional Taste signing off for the day. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care and stay tuned. Happy cooking!